Hey guys, it's Tech Jake here. If you're thinking about grabbing the ViewSonic LS900WU 6000 lumen WUXGA laser projector and want to get it at a limited discount, check out the link down in the description. Cut to product shots/B-roll. This projector is built for big spaces. Think conference halls, auditoriums, lecture theaters, anywhere you need bright, sharp images that hold up even in rooms with lots of ambient light. Brightness and resolution. With 6000 ANSI lumens, the LS900WU pumps out bright, clear visuals without needing to darken the room. And with its WUXGA resolution, that's 1920 by 1200 pixels, it gives you extra vertical pixels over regular full HD, which is great for presentations that demand a little more screen real estate. Image quality and color. It uses supercolor technology to keep colors rich and accurate. So whether you're projecting detailed branding or stunning nature scenes, you get vibrant, true-to-life colors that really pop. Installation flexibility. One of the best features? The horizontal and vertical lens shift. You can move the image up, down, left, or right without having to physically move the projector. Plus, the 1.6x optical zoom means you have flexibility with throw distance and screen size, perfect for retrofitting or off-center mounts. Keystone correction. And to nail the image alignment, you get 4-corner keystone correction plus vertical and horizontal adjustments, so you can get perfectly squared visuals even in tricky spaces or temporary setups. Network control. For the pros out there, it supports network management, letting you control power, inputs, and more remotely. Super handy for managing multiple units or complex AV setups. Built-in noise. Despite the brightness, the projector runs quietly, around 32 decibels in normal mode and even quieter in eco. So your presentations won't get drowned out by fan noise. Connectivity. It's loaded with ports, VGA in and out, audio in/out, USB Type-A for powering devices, RS-232 for control, 3D sync for 3D content. And because it uses a laser light source instead of traditional lamps, it's more energy efficient and has a long lifespan, up to 20,000 hours. So here's the quick rundown. Pros. Bright 6000 lumens output. Long-lasting laser light source. Extra vertical pixels with WUXGA. Flexible lens shift and zoom. Advanced keystone correction. Broad connectivity and network control. Dust-resistant sealed optics. It's a bit premium priced. No built-in smart streaming, you'll need an external source. Slightly bulky for small rooms. If you need a projector that performs reliably in bright, large spaces with sharp, vibrant visuals, the ViewSonic LS900WU is a solid choice. It's built for long hours, flexible setups, and seamless integration into professional AV systems. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you want to pick up the LS900WU at a discount, hit that link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos here on. Catch you next time.